Hello again, just trying to play. Not too much success trying to play Confirmation. I had to slow this backing track down. I tried it at 75, it was too fast for me. I tried it at 50%, and it was just too deadening, too slow. So there's a custom thing on YouTube where I think I made it 60%. Still tough though. So let's just walk through the chords of Confirmation, tuned by Charlie Parker. Copyright date of 1946, Atlantic Music Corporation. Renewed 1974 and 1978. To me, it's one of the most bebop sounding Charlie Parker heads. Let's just take a look at the chords again. So we have F, E half diminished, A7, D minor, G7, C minor 7, F7, B flat 7, A minor, D7, G7, G minor, C7, F, E half diminished, A7, D minor, G7, C minor, F7, B flat 7, A minor, D7, G minor, C7, F. Here comes the middle, C minor, B flat, E flat minor, A flat 7, D flat, G minor, C7, last A section, F, E half diminished, A7, D minor 7, G7, C minor 7, F7, B flat 7, A minor 7, D7, G minor 7, C7, F. I have this in the real book. Hopefully you have it somewhere in one of your books or on one of your software programs. There's a nice solo by Barron. So I thought maybe we could look at a couple of Kenny's phrases, a great jazz piano player, Kenny Barron. He's playing over Confirmation. There's a couple of really nice 2-5-1s in here too. I think rather than try to tackle the whole thing, I'll give you a quick look at what it looks like. It's basically handwritten. First page, let's take. You're going to see that the chords are the same as those for confirmation. Okay, and if I find the link for this full transcription on YouTube, I'm going to place it below this video. Hopefully that's somewhat visible. I think what I'll do too is I'll make a PDF, and if you're interested in getting the PDF of this Kenny Barron solo, I'll put my email so you can contact me below. All right. But yeah, let's just get a couple of phrases out of this. Tough tune, but very hip sounding tune. Charlie Parker. Okay, so if we go back, let's see. I could try to show you some of the head, but I think it's better if you just have it in front of you. Here's the Charlie Parker Omnibook version of it. If you don't sight read, it's a little tough. That's why, for those who don't sight read, I'm going to pull out a couple of 251s. Maybe I'll see if I can grab one from Charlie Parker, maybe grab one or two from Kenny Barron. Okay, so I'm going to take one that jumped out at me from Kenny. It's actually on the second page, but it's nice. Let's see, there's a point in the tune where we're on C minor 7 for a whole measure, then 2 more beats, F7 to the 1 chord, B flat. So what Kenny did here was he did the line cliche. Again, it's C minor, C minor major 7, C minor 7, F7 to B flat major 7 for 2 measures. So if you just get that sound in your head, it's so hard to play. Let's see, I imagine it's hard on piano too. Kenny Barron played it, of course he's a virtuoso. Okay, so again, the underlying chords are the line cliche on C minor to the 1 chord B flat major 7. And the portion that he's playing over the C minor and F7 okay, I went a little too far, but yeah. Okay, actually there's one from Charlie Parker here that's kind of incredible. Very difficult to play, but it's a 2-5 in D major. So if you have it in front of you, it's 8, 12, 16, 20, the 24th measure going into the 25th measure. And again, it's 2, 5 in D flat. Let me just see if I can attempt to play it. Yeah, so again, I went a little too far, but if I can find myself to these 3 measures for the 2, 5, there's a pickup note which is B flat, okay, and it's there's just something about over this chord. Okay, the pickup is B flat. So let's take that one apart. Again, you're hearing these chords: E flat minor to A flat 7, D flat major. Beautiful thing about the song is it's just constantly changing to a new 2-5-1 in a different key. But yeah, for this 2-5-1 in D flat, so it's B flat, the pickup note, D flat, B flat, A flat, A natural, C, B flat, G flat, and then that was all 16th notes. So that's part of the reason it's so difficult. That's it, basically. B flat, D flat, B flat, A flat, A natural, C, B flat, G flat, and then it reverts back to 8th notes. So the last 3 8th notes are A flat, F, E natural, and then we move into the new measure: E flat up to A flat, G flat, E natural, and then a little F minor triad. It's actually an F minor 7 arpeggio. Okay, so some of this is hard to convey. I'm going to show you what I'm looking at, and it's this phrase right here. Just before this first note, there's a B flat up here somewhere, pickup note. But this is the exact little 2-5-1 I'm trying to show you right here where my index finger is. I think, yep, okay. So a little bit more. Again, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is another killer, but it's nice. There's a C minor, F7 to B flat, 2-5-1 and B flat. C minor for 2 beats, F7 for 2 beats, B flat for 4 beats. The note that I love in here is the B natural. So again, the sound is it's so weird. It's B flat, the triplet on B flat, C, B flat, 8th notes, G, E flat, A flat, G flat, B natural, F. So, trying to figure out what that the B natural is there for the F7. It's actually a flat 5. Yeah. But the 2-5 here, it's 2-5 in B flat. Triplet starts it out. Okay. Yeah, that's something that's very recognizable. Yeah, so I'm trying to find back where I was. Let's just try to first get the first few measures of the melody. It's kind of fun. Chords again are E half diminished, A7, T minor 7, G7, C minor 7, F7, B flat 7, 2-5 in G but landing on G7, 2-5 in F. So we'll just walk through this and then we'll finish up. Middle section. Here we go. That's that 2-5-1. Then we're back. Love that line. Now, of course, I'm playing it way too slowly. That's why I was having trouble with the backing track earlier. See, that's me trying to play it at tempo, and I'm not there yet. Anyway, I hope you like the tune. Hope you got something out of it. Hopefully you have it in a book. You can work on it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, any suggestions. Otherwise, keep playing, keep practicing, have fun, and have a great day. Talk to you next time.